Okay, you guys, this is part one of our little next YouTube video. Take 3 maybe. Trying to make it a little bit shorter. Want to wish everyone a very happy New Year's, or whatever holiday it is you do celebrate. These are 2 lights I'm putting in my car. This is already in my car. This one's going in. This one is extremely well built. You can see there are a lot of videos that show off the light. They show off the build quality, and one of the things I didn't understand about this light was that you have to take off the collar. It has 2 tabs on the light itself, and the collar slides in and then locks into place. So you have to unlock it, slide it off, and you can move it around that way. Okay. If you're going to put your adapter, this one I had to use adapter. I'll put the link for the adapter for my 2014 Kia Soul for projector lights. This one, $90 off of eBay. Okay, very good. I'm very happy with this. Been having a problem with my Qcheyes, changing color, a bulb went, a ballast went. I bought a new set and I split that set to make the bulb work on top and the ballast on the bottom, but still acting very funky. I'm not happy with the Qcheyes on my particular vehicle. Could be user error. I installed 255 watts top and bottom, and that my car might not be sufficient to push that for those ballasts. So it could be something I'm doing, but they're not working right. I'm not happy with them. Very happy with this $90 Hikari Ultra Pro, whatever it is, from Amazon. They came quick enough. I installed them a lot easier, a lot less trouble than in the Qcheye. Okay, so that's my top. They're already installed. I'm going to install these, and I'll give you an idea a little bit. I have my camera in front of me, and I'm trying to do this. That's not the correct name. That's just the casing. The box is very nice here, corrugated feel. I like the packaging here better than the Hikari, but the Hikari lights are better. Hikari lights are 90, these were I believe 50. Okay, that's the correct name, excuse me. See that there? Okay, you got that. Warranty information. Okay, we got that right? Good. Back to this one real quick. Need to know. There are some, and it tells you on top, the first one it says H4, H7, and the second one says H8, 9, 10, 11, 13, so on and so forth on the second install. First set of install instructions, second set of install corrections. I have H7 on top where the Hikari went, and on the bottom I have H8 for the fog lights. These are going where the fog lights are at, H8, okay? Another set of instructions here. 904, 907, look like American vehicles. And a different one I never heard of. Okay, on that set of instructions there. This shows you how to do the adjustment on it, how to take the collar off. Okay, ironically, mine did not come with the Allen key picture there. And it's really small, it's like 1 millimeter. I didn't know that these came with an actual driver, like the Hikaris, because in the pictures I didn't see the driver, but it does come with a driver. And I would be careful to probably deal with this right here on the bottom. They look a little bit not as waterproof as I would like. Okay, so you might want to try to seal that up a little bit. Put some electrical tape, whatever you're doing with it. These marks you see here on the bottom, I put them there with a pen. Let me get the pen I put them there with so I could show you what they look like. Plastic, and the fan is not necessarily encaged entirely. Okay. I use a white mark pen to mark that. Hopefully you can get that. Excuse me. What am I too? Yeah, it goes. I'm too close. Something I used to say 24-105 zoom. RF on EOS. EOS R. Normally I do this with my smaller camera, my M50, but the angle's kind of tight on that. Well, I'm having an issue with that. I'll deal with that later. Connector also is kind of funky. Excuse me. It's has 1 dimple on both sides here and 1 dimple on the 2 sides here, and it actually says, well, right here you can see it. Hopefully, where my thumb is at, you should be able to see a positive and a negative. I'm hoping you can see that. There is a positive and a negative there. Okay, so that's how you know to align it. The positive should be a colored wire, and the negative should be a black wire. Sometimes they're yellow, red, or blue. Okay, and this is going to help me line it up. On the Hikaris, they were lined up straight with the cable on the bottom. This one, it's not quite lined up straight, so I can line it up straight here. Okay, show you the collars and Allen key real quick, because you guys are going to need to know how to do that. Okay. Alright, that's going to be a little tricky. I'm going to have to use my hand for lighting there. That should be better like that. Okay, where's the Allen key? There it is. I'm hoping you get that, because it's really small. And this is the 1mm that fits inside there. I think it's a 1mm. I'm not 100% sure, but can you get the size of that? It is not big. Okay. All right. Can you see the three? I think you can. See the three tabs on there? This is aluminum. There's no plastic here involved. That got my attention real quick. Kind of why I started going this direction. As soon as I saw that at this price range, that did help me settle on these. Got one of the best ratings I've seen on Amazon for this kit here. That's the correct name there. About 50 bucks. Okay. I'm gonna have to put a link for that. I was in the description below also. Sorry about that. Okay, I think that's all you need to see for now. I think I gave you enough information so you can put your kit in your car. Except for, I intend to put this collar on to help me insert this piece, and I intend to unscrew the little set screw there, pull it out, set the direction I want so I know straight up and down, and then reset the set screw on the collar. So that's how I intend to do it. Okay. If I have any other descriptions or any other difficulties, I'll let you know in the second part of this video. Alright, that is part 1. Okay, I think I finally got the camera set right. The manual mode on the EOS R, you have to clear custom setting 3 because it defaults to that, and it will actually try to automatic white balance or picture if you don't do that. So if you get frustrated, that's the issue. I'm at 6,000 Kelvin, which is supposed to be what my lights are, my headlights and my fog lights. Okay. I'm just about less than 20 feet away, about 19 feet away from the headlight, the projector light itself, maybe between 19 and 20. The projector, the fog light's a little bit closer. They're about a hand to 19 feet. Okay. You see one incandescent. That's not an incandescent bulb. That is fluorescent bulbs, but it still looks yellowish because I'm trying to illustrate daylight. See if this actually comes right. Now I have a Rover M12 like the square one that's supposed to be 1,000 lumens with a couple of different modes. And that should help the image a little bit. It still looks yellowish. Now I'm going to start the car and see where we at. I'm at 130 for a second, F4, EOS R 24 to 105 RF lights. Okay, I'm at 640 ISO, I believe. Okay, so you get an idea of where I'm at. Okay, if I shoot an automatic, then it's going to do automatic white balance, so you're not going to be able to see the intensity of the light or the color of the lights. So let's try it out now. That's correct. That should be 6,000 K on the bottom right there. That should be like daylight. Looks like I'm gonna have to close the aperture a little bit so we can see a little bit better. Okay, that looks like daylight to me. I'm gonna back it up a little bit. I'm at 7.1 right now on the aperture. So you can see the incandescent bulb. It's not actually incandescent, it's actually fluorescent, but it looks incandescent. I shut off the floodlight, put it back on, and then now you can see that my actual bulbs are correct. Okay, I'm going to leave it at 7.1, so I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to look at the lights from a different angle. I have both the fog lights on and the headlights on. So let's see if we can do this. I have to move this by hand, so excuse me for that. see we turn the camera around and we aim the. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. I didn't have to do very much. I can probably zoom in a little bit to get a real nice image. Okay, let's adjust it the best we can. And it's having a little bit of trouble because I'm moving the camera around and the lights are still in the office. It's pretty bright. Back off a little bit. And you can see the rover light on top of the hood. When that's 1,000 lumens, it still has a slightly yellowish tint. It might be about 4,000 K, if I remember correctly. And you can see the two Hikari H7 lights and the $8 light. You see those on top. On the bottom is the other lights, the second set of lights that I pointed out. I don't have the name with me. It's weird spelling, Qcheye something E, whatever. EYE. I'll put it in the description of what they are. So that's the best I can do for you guys. I think you got a visual that these actually are daylight color. And despite them being slightly different, the fog lights and the headlights and the projectors, they do match up pretty well in color. Try to get a little bit closer if I can. Slightly better illustration here. It's not so easy doing this by hand and moving around and trying to get everything in the frame. A little bit difficult. Yeah, I think you guys got it. You got the projector lights and you got the fog lights. Let's see if we can step it down a little bit more. Take a look at the fog lights a little bit better. They're not brighter than the top, I can tell you that. Another illustration, I'm going to try to go back at the wall again. And we try to turn the fog lights off and see if you can see a difference. That's F4.0 when we started. And that'll probably be the last I could do for today. Okay. Sorry about all this movement here, but some people might want to know this stuff, so that's the wall right there. We'll try that. And I believe you can see the fog lights there on the grass. And see how much of a difference they actually might make, might not make. Let's turn those off. Okay, I think you guys have a serious illustration there why I'm going through all this trouble. Why I'm actually did both the fog lights and the headlights. So I get a real nice pattern. Okay. See my pattern? That's pretty good. I guess we'll discuss everything else in the comments. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, last thing. Enjoy your new year. Happy New Year.